Do you want to be teacher's pet this year? You don't need this old apple to do it. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make simple jelly with 3 ingredients that is sure to wow your teacher. Three simple ingredients you will need is 2 pound strawberries, 4 cups sugar, and 1/4 cup lemon juice. The first step is to wash your strawberries. Mine are already pre-washed. The next step is to cut the stems off the strawberries and cut into quarters. You'll proceed to do that with the rest of the strawberries. The next step is to mash your strawberries. I suggest doing this in batches. Step is to place your mashed strawberries into a saucepan and then transfer to the stove. Next, add your sugar. And lemon juice. And stir over low heat until sugar is dissolved. Bring the mixture to a full boil for 7 minutes. Once the 7 minutes are up, it is now time to transfer to the container. I have these cute mason jars to give it a nice finishing touch. We will next put the jam in the fridge overnight. Here's the final product. You can decorate it however you like, and it's sure to impress your teacher. See you next time. Do you want to be teacher's pet?
Yeah, I'm running for about 5 seconds now.